These scrumptious peanut butter cornflakes have a delightful combination of snacks that come in convenient bars so you can easily have your breakfast on the go, anytime, anywhere. In a saucepan, add the granulated sugar and white Karo syrup. Stir and bring to a boil. Then, remove from the heat and add in the peanut butter. Mix them well, then stir in the cornflakes. Transfer to a container lined with waxed paper. Spread evenly and let it cool down. Cut into small cubes and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.